So I'm Jamil Shinawi. I'm the co-founder and the CEO of Ahoy. We're providing our tech to the whole world to make movement better. Dubai is a very competitive place when it comes to skills, and whenever you have an overflow of skills, you get the best. So the Innovation Cup is a lot more than a pitching competition. It is a competition where we are trying to uncover hidden gems. So the Innovation Cup is here to uncover real innovation, and we really want to support that innovation, shed a light on it, and let people see that. So we're excited about North Star 2022 this year, because this year we got a lot of surprises, and we're sure we're gonna meet some interesting people on North Star. So see you this October, huh?
أهلا بكم. احنا من شركة أهوي وهنكون موجودين في نورث ستار ايفنت، من أكبر الايفنتات المتخصصة في مجال الشركات الناشئة في مجال التكنولوجي بشكل عام. نتمنى نشوفكم في الايفنت ونشوفكم على خير.
The world's biggest tech startup event, North Star, is here. It's going to be amazing, and we'll hope to see you there.
See you at North Star, the world's best tech startup event.